Every morning, this facility springs to life, bringing the sweet taste of the tropics to the world. A symphony of industry and nature. Check the sensor on line 3, it keeps flashing red. I'll recalibrate the AI scanner now. After a thorough wash, the fruit is submerged in our specialized sanitizing bath, a critical step for quality juice production.
Make sure to remove any with soft spots for the puree.
Already handled it. The screens are showing 98% clear.
Our automated system ensures that every premium mango is peeled with razor-sharp precision, preserving the juicy flesh inside. The precision slicing machines ensure uniform cuts for the freshest mango juice, captured in stunning high definition. Only the freshest mangoes make it through our state-of-the-art facility, ensuring perfect quality in every drop.
The powerful rotating drums transform the fresh mango pieces into a thick, golden.
Through a seamless cinematic movement, the vibrant mango pulp is steadily pumped towards the refining section, glistening under the bright lights.
Here you can see the advanced filtration system, removing the finest impurities, leaving only pure golden nectar. Mango concentrate levels optimal. Initiating blend cycle 47.
Pasteurization cycle active. Temperature stabilized at 75.5 degrees Celsius. Flavor profile maintained. Following pasteurization, the golden liquid enters the cooling phase, monitored by automated sensors maintaining peak conditions.
The color reading on this batch looks good. Yeah.
Yes, passing the consistency test now.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures the freshest mango juice flows seamlessly to the filling hall.
Here at the heart of the facility, our synchronized systems prepare thousands of bottles every hour for the finest mango juice.
Powerful jets of filtered sterile air remove microscopic dust particles, while rotating holders ensure complete cleaning of every bottle.
Sterilization cycle complete. Proceed to filling station.
System activated. Begin cycle sequence 1. Ensure quality control parameters are met.
Every bottle is sealed with precision, locking in the vibrant flavor of fresh mango.
Here at the Mango Juice facility, precision capping ensures every bottle is sealed perfectly.
Line 3. Ensure batch codes are clear on the mango run. We are at full capacity.
Automated inspection active. Label alignment confirmed. Fill level nominal. All units passed.
With surgical precision, these robotic arms handle the next generation of mango packaging, ensuring efficiency across the entire production line.
Quality control check on the mango juice line. Ensure all sensors are calibrated.
Our automated sealing machines ensure every carton is securely closed. The integrated The high-speed scales verify every package, while automatic reject systems remove any carton out.
Attention quality control. Pallet Group 7 is now entering the inspection zone. Please monitor data stream.
Manifest confirms 40 cases of mango. Scans match. Quality seal intact. Approved.
Automated transport system active. All mango juice pallets proceed to Bay 12.
Automated transport sequence initiated. Pallet 74B, destination H9. All zones clear.
All systems fully operational. Inventory scan commencing in Sector 4.
Inventory updated. Pallet location A5 confirmed. Retrieval successful. Pallet secured. Now proceeding to shipment staging area. Freshly squeezed mango juice, traveling smoothly to your destination.
Printing looks good here.
Confirmed. No damage on the shrink wrap either.
Measurement recorded. 112,250.5 kilograms. Approved for shipping.
Every pallet of mango juice is precisely labeled and scanned for perfect delivery.
Keep coming back slowly. Watch your alignment on the right. All right, hold it there. We're locked in. Clear on the left. Copy that. Bringing this one in now. Secured on this side. We're ready for the next row.
Copy that. I'm pulling out now.
Temperature is holding steady at 3 degrees. Confirmed. All pallets scanned and secured.
Seals are secure, boss.
Okay, manifest confirmed. You are good to go.
Every morning, we deliver the taste of sunshine straight from the grove to your glass. When the golden hour meets the golden taste, we are proud to deliver premium mango juice to every corner of the country.
How many pallets on this truck?
24, all mango. We'll have it cleared in an hour.
Make sure that's scanned before it hits the main conveyor.
Roger that. Bringing the next one up now.
Attention all floor staff. Lane 42 requires immediate clearance. Repeat, lane 42.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Here, every mango juice pallet is sorted with flawless accuracy, ensuring next-day delivery.
Are the expiry dates aligned with the labels?
Yes, double-checked. They match the documentation perfectly. Everything is ready for dispatch.
We need 2 more pallets of the mango nectar for this truck. Dale, I'll bring them right over.
All set. The temperature is holding at 4 degrees Celsius. From the orchard to the city, we deliver the freshest mango juice daily.
Is this pallet of mango juice going to aisle 42? Yeah, confirmed. Right over there by the end cap.
Make sure these mango cartons go to aisle 5. Already scanned and confirmed. Looks perfect, doesn't it?
Yes, top shelf quality right there.
Experience the pure taste of golden mango, perfectly chilled for your refreshment.
Look at that display, Dad. It says limited edition.
This bottle feels premium too. All right, let's try it.
100% natural, no added preservatives. This is the one.
And here's the mango juice. That's a great choice for the weather. Your total is $11.
The taste of pure sunshine, brought home to brighten your day.
The perfect pour, look at the bubbles. So refreshing and sweet.
From the freshest orchards to this exquisite bottle, we capture the true essence of the mango. Experience the taste of pure sunshine.